Presentation in MAPE. Merienda Edition.
This is our extra ingredients. This is our ingredients for making turon.
The oil. This is the banana. This is the sugar. So it's the wrapper.
Wrapper will be separated. The banana is sliced in the middle.
Put sugar on a plate.
Or a bowl.
Crush the banana. Open the stove and heat the pot.